In the dynamic world of international finance, having flexible and cost-effective ways to manage your money is paramount. Wise, with its multi-currency accounts, has become a go-to for many navigating cross-border transactions. But once you've set up your Wise account, the next logical question is, how do I actually get money into it? As a finance expert, I often encounter this query. While Wise makes the process straightforward, understanding the various deposit methods and their nuances can help you choose the best option for your needs, ensuring your funds arrive safely and efficiently. Let's delve into the practical steps of funding your Wise account. The core principle: electronic transfers. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that Wise is a digital platform. This means you cannot walk into a physical branch and deposit cash or checks into your Wise account. All deposits must be made electronically, typically from a traditional bank account or a linked card. This digital-first approach is fundamental to Wise's cost efficiency and speed. Now, let's explore the primary ways to deposit money into your Wise multi-currency account. 1. Adding money directly through the Wise app or website. This is often the most common and intuitive method for topping up your Wise balances. It gives you direct control over the process within the Wise platform. Steps: log in to your Wise account. Access your account via the Wise mobile app or the Wise website. Select the desired currency balance. On your home screen, you'll see your various currency balances, e.g., USD, GBP, Euro, and GN. Click on the specific currency balance you wish to add money to. Click Add Money. You'll typically find a prominent Add Money button or option within that currency balance. Enter the amount and choose your payment method. Amount. Input the amount you want to add. Payment method. Wise will present you with several options, which can vary slightly depending on your location, Nigeria, in this case, and the currency you're adding. Common options include debit card. This is usually the fastest method, with funds often appearing almost instantly. Be aware that debit card payments may incur a small fee from Wise, and your issuing bank might also charge a cash advance fee for certain transactions, though this is less common with Wise. Bank transfer. Local bank transfer. This involves you initiating a bank transfer from your local bank account to a Wise-provided local bank account. This is often the cheapest option but can take a bit longer, usually a few hours to a business day, depending on your bank and the time of day. Wise will provide you with specific bank details, account number, bank name, reference number, to use for your transfer. Credit card. While available in some regions, using a credit card for deposits often comes with higher fees due to credit card processing charges. It might also be treated as a cash advance by your credit card provider, incurring additional interest and fees. It's generally not the most cost-effective option. Apple Pay/Google Pay. If you're using the Wise mobile app and have Apple Pay or Google Pay set up, these can be very convenient and fast options for instant deposits. Follow on-screen instructions. Wise will guide you through the remaining steps, which might involve confirming details, entering card information, or instructing you on how to set up the bank transfer from your external bank's platform. Complete the payment. Once you've successfully initiated the payment from your chosen method, Wise will process it and credit your selected balance. Important note for Nigerians. While Wise offers great international services, direct deposits from Nigerian bank accounts into Wise USD or other foreign currency balances might face limitations due to local foreign exchange regulations. Typically, you might need to first fund your Naira balance, if available, and then convert to other currencies, or rely on receiving funds from abroad into your Wise local currency details. Always check the latest Wise guidelines and local regulations for the most accurate information regarding direct Naira deposits. 2. Receiving money directly into your Wise local account details. This method is perhaps one of Wise's most powerful features, allowing you to receive payments from others, or even yourself from another bank account, as if you have a local bank account in a foreign country. This bypasses traditional international wire transfers and their associated high fees. Steps. Open a currency balance with local details. In your Wise account, navigate to the specific currency balance you want to receive money in, e.g., USD, GBP, Euro. If you haven't already, you'll need to activate or get account details for that currency. Wise will provide you with, for USD, a US routing number and account number. For Euro, an IBAN and BIC/SWIFT code. For GBP, an account number and sort code, and similar details for many other currencies. Share your Wise local account details. Provide these specific details to the person or entity sending you money. This could be your employer, a client, a family member, or even your own bank account in another country. The sender initiates a local transfer. The sender then makes a local bank transfer from their bank account in that currency to your Wise-provided local account details. For example, if you provide USD details, they'd make a standard US domestic bank transfer. Funds arrive in your Wise balance. Once the sender's bank processes the local transfer, the funds will arrive directly in your Wise multi-currency account's corresponding balance. Benefits of this method. Cost-effective. Both you and the sender save on international wire transfer fees. Faster. Local transfers are typically much quicker than international SWIFT transfers. Convenient. It feels like a standard domestic transfer for the sender.